Hi friends, welcome to my channel RK Raising Kids Vlog. Today we are going to know about a leaf for class 6. So now let's begin. A leaf. So what are leaves? Leaves are green, thin and flat outgrowths of the stem. They help in making food for the plant through the process of photosynthesis. Leaves are the essential parts of a plant. Essential means important or necessary. How? Because as they give energy to the process of photosynthesis, we can breathe it in. But if there is no leaves, we cannot breathe in oxygen. And as a leaves, it's the leaves' job to do the to make food for the plants. If there are no leaves, there would be no food for the plants, no starch, so the plants would die, they wouldn't survive. So without it there is no life. Now let me explain the process photosynthesis. First, the plants absorb water in the roots and then take up carbon dioxide and sunlight. Let me show you here. So this is the sun. See, so this is the sun, and the sunlight rays fall on the plant, and the plant absorbs the sunlight rays and even carbon dioxide. And with the help of chlorophyll, here there is a small pigment, green pigment named chlorophyll. Green pigment means it's a thing that gives a coloration. It's a material that gives coloration, and it creates glucose and convert it to starch as the food for the plants, and then release out oxygen. See, it contains it creates starch inside. When the leaves create starch with the help of the leaves, so they convert glucose to starch and then release out oxygens from. Next, we'll know about the structure of a leaf. All the leaves are together called as a plant's foliage. A point on the stem from which a leaf grows is called as a node. The leafless parts between any node of the stem is called as the end node. Okay, the microphone is showing a diagram. This is the plant's foliage, because see, all the leaves are together, so it's known as the plant's foliage. So here, can you see, in this point a leaf has been grown, so this is known as a node. Then here and here, then the leafless parts between any node. So this is the leafless part between any node, so this is known as the internode. Okay, so this is the structure of a leaf. Next we'll know about the parts of a leaf. A classic leaf has the following parts. Number 1, petiole. It's a thin and round shaped structure by which the leaf is attached to the stem. I can show you it here. Where is it? Yeah, here. This is a petiole. Now I'm showing a red line, so this can be a petiole. But further in the chapter, I'll show you the diagram. Next is the stipule, number 2. It's a small portion at the end of a petiole. Okay, so a small portion means like a small leaf or a small bird at the end of the petiole. It's known as the stipule. Leaf blade is the thin, flat and green structure of the leaf. It's known as the leaf blade, and it's also called as leaf lamina. Its color is green due to the existence of green pigment called chlorophyll that said in the process of photosynthesis that helps in carrying the process photosynthesis to prepare food. Just which I explained the process. Next, we'll know about the leaf blade. The leaf blade consists of 5 parts on a leaf. They are: number 1, margin is the boundary of a leaf. See, this is the margin. I think you can see it like this. This whole thing is the margin of the leaf. Okay. Number 2 is apex. It's the point tip of a leaf. So this is the apex, this tip. Okay. Then next is midrib. It's a thin line structure. This is thin line structure. I mean thick line structure. I'm sorry. Passing over the center of a leaf here, and it's also called as the main vein. And what do you mean by veins? So this is the midrib, and veins means the midrib divides into several branches called veins. So these are the veins. See, this is whoa. There's so many patterns of and networks of all kinds of veins. The whole leaf is covered with all those veins. Okay. So the next is the base. Okay, the base of the leaf from which it starts on the petiole is known as the base, and this is the petiole. Now this whole thing, these five parts, are known as the leaf blade. And please friends, don't forget that you have to mention it is leaf apex, leaf margin, leaf midrib, leaf veins, and leaf base. But if you just say apex, margin, midrib, veins, base, nobody can understand it. They think of something else different. Okay, so you must mention that it is leaf. But if you, I'm not writing here because you can see that I'm showing a leaf and I'm mentioning that it's a leaf blade. So that's why you don't have. Okay. Alright, thanks for watching this video. Wanna see and learn more? Then go to my channel Kids Vlog and check out some fun videos like Introduction to Science for Class 6 and Basic Geometry for Class 5. Another friends, only thing I want to tell you is that please save the earth from all the pollution and everything. You must save the earth. Just taking some few good ways to save the earth. So please save and restore our earth. Please save plants and plant more trees to make the earth's life much